Hello, friends. This is my favorite time of the week. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Our host is Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. Please check out her channel and please check out all the amazing creators in the playlist for inspiration on how you can tidy your home in small amounts of time each week. It's that time of year again. Time to declutter the seasonal decor. And I'm also going to go through some cloth and napkins because the best time to go through this seasonal decor is when you're starting to decorate for the holidays. And that's what I'm trying to do. Ornament balls. More signs. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of all these signs. I'm going to get rid of that too. It's nothing but glitter. I'm going to get rid of this one. I have one that I'm using. Oh, wow. That's going to go. That'll go. Oh, I like these ornaments. I didn't even know I had them. This is gonna go. Like I said, I didn't even know I had these. These are pretty. These would work on my tree I'm working on. Oh. All of this stuff could go. And that can go. Oh, that'd be cute on my tree. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep these two. I'm going to keep these. And might as well keep those. Sometimes I use those in DIY. These are really glittery. I don't think I'm going to keep those. I'm not going to keep this. It's like a garland with silver ornament. I'm not keeping this. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, I'm keeping this. This is a snowman. I'm getting rid of these. Ooh, I'm going to keep these. Keep this. That can go. This garland, I'm keeping it. Because one of these days I want to do a big tree that's elf. A funny reindeer, he's going to go. Another house. Goofy skis. These would be fun for my elf tree too. Oh, this would work on my tree now. Oh wow, those would work on my tree now too. Oh wow, I like that. I didn't even know it existed. Some of these should be in my ornament. I have an ornament bin out there. This can go away. Oh, these are pretty. Those can go. These can go. I'm going to get rid of those too. Some of these can go in my ornament bin because I have a bin just for ornaments. Yeah, some of these needs to go in another tote. That can go away. Oh, this one can go away too. Like I said, a lot of these can go in my ornament bin. It's a pretty one. That would work on either one of my trees right now. These can go away. I don't know whether they're dogs or whether they're woodland animals. I'm not sure. That can go away. I don't use that so much. This too. Oh, that's cute. It's a little snowman. But I think I'm going to let it go. I'm going to leave these silver ornaments that can go. And this the stuff in the bottom can get dumped in the trash. Oh, this is the ornament bin. I'm really not getting rid of anything in that bin, but I can put these ornaments in there. This one I might keep out. It would work good on the tree that I'm working on. Those I might let those go too because I don't use those very much. This is my bin of nothing but ornaments. Since I change out my colors so much, I just keep them. And I sort through them depending on my theme every year. Just like after sorting through this, I decided next year I'll probably do a rose gold and burgundy tree because I have a ton of rose gold and burgundy ornaments. So I may do a rose gold and burgundy tree. See, look how pretty. Rose gold and burgundy, I think, next year. But at least I got rid of a tote because I had 3 totes and I got rid of one. Guess it's not too bad. A couple more things I'm getting rid of. I'm going to get rid of this gnome and some picks. Hey everybody, I have a problem. I have a ton of table decor and it won't fit in my cabinet anymore. So let's go through it. I'll show you piece by piece and I'll tell you if I'm keeping it or throwing it or getting rid of it. This I'm gonna get rid of. Keep, I love it for spring. Keep, actually I found this at Hobby Lobby and I love it because it's reversible. So I get two options. I really love that. Red, gotta keep that for Christmas and Valentine's Day. My silver tablecloth, definitely gotta keep. My white napkins, I gotta keep those. They go with everything. Hocus Pocus, I'm gonna probably keep that too. Gotta have a couple Halloween. I'm gonna probably keep this. Goes with pretty much anything. Black tablecloths, gotta have a black tablecloth. Just like the gold. This color's gotta go because I don't use this color. So I'm gonna get rid of the napkins in that color. I like this, but it looks really faded out when I put it on my table. So that one's gonna go. I'm gonna keep the pink and the gray. And these need folded. I'm gonna get rid of this because it wasn't good quality when I got it. It was one of those that came from Temu. I didn't use this, but I'm gonna keep that for next year. I didn't use this one either. I didn't do as many fall tablescapes this year. This one I'm gonna keep it because I got a new set of plates that matches it. Gonna keep these because these are really nice. My friend's birthday, her favorite color is purple. I'm gonna get rid of that. I think I'm gonna get rid of these too. I'm not that into gnomes. Here's another one. I don't think I'm keeping these. These are a weird color. But it came in a pack of different colors. Actually, it came in a pack with these. And I'm also going to get rid of, okay, I have a set of gray and a set of navy blue that I'm going to get rid of. I'm getting rid of the placemats because I don't use them.